this is basically the benchmark. In fact, the C segment, we could basically call it the Civic segment, if anything. So this being the hybrid form, let's see how it fares. So the Civic Hybrid has a unique hybrid setup in the sense that this one doesn't really have a gearbox. Honda just said this has a CVT for simplicity's sake, but underneath this is basically a 2-liter engine and an electric motor that's more powerful than the main engine itself. Now, what this does is basically at low speeds you get the benefits of an EV with the instant torque and everything, but on highway speeds this retires. Basically, he's out of the question. The engine takes over at high speeds. So you get the best of both worlds kasi the electric motor is fast and efficient at low speeds, pero at high speeds, that's where it consumes power. So that's where the engine takes over. Pag mabilis na yung takbo mo, say 80 to 100 or upwards, saka to take over. And it also has the job of charging the batteries as well. So it's the best of both worlds. Also, an added benefit of this car is surprisingly fun at low speeds, as you'll see.
May available na sa Civic. Sige po, sabihin ko dito. Thank you.
Alright, we're rolling out in the Civic. See, this is the benefits of this hybrid system. On low speeds, it really feels like an EV. You don't feel any shifts, you don't feel any engines running. The engine will basically only just run if low-bat talaga siya. But then again, it only acts as a generator. It's not really connected. See, right now we're in EV mode. Nothing. No vibrations. Absolutely silent. Yung Android Automotive ba na infotainment nito is standard on all Civics now? Or exclusive siya sa hybrid?
Sa lahat na po.
Oh, okay. Gets.
This might be the smoothest infotainment I've seen yet.
Google may gawa eh.
That looks really nice.
Alright, let's put it in sport mode.
Alright, homie.
This has better tires than the Elantra.
Yes, we will find
So let's
out
see.
how good it is then.
Okay, everyone's ready?
Hit it.
In bumps, it's just like the Elantra N-Line.
Is it just me or this has a bit more body roll than the Elantra?
I don't feel it, honestly. Parang same sila. The only difference is this feels more instantaneous dahil dun sa EV torque niya.
How's the front end response of this? Are they the same or is this a bit more darty?
I think the Civic's a bit dartier.
Oh wait.
Also, it didn't plow through that, the slalom.
Okay.
But yeah, this thing's power. Oh. See it on corner exit. There we go. That's the Civic I know. Now if we put it back into... Actually, let's put it in Eco, heading back. Unfortunately, hindi natin siya malalabas. So, this is basically just an autocross. Just a feeler for the Civic. And that's all you need to know about this car. Kasi the Civic markets itself as that one fun car talaga eh. Some people might be skeptical about the Civic being a hybrid now na hindi na daw siya masaya dahil hybrid na eh. No. It's just as fun, if not even better, kasi you don't need to wait for the CVT to kick down or something kasi instant na agad yung power niya. So I dare argue this is better than the turbo. Also more economical in the long run. So out of all the cars we've tested today, this has to be the quietest.
Yeah, NVH is really good in this.
Unbelievable, man. There's music blaring outside that. Let me just bring down the window saglit. See, look, there's music blaring outside right now. If we roll the windows up, wala. That's impressive. And it helps that this thing is running on electric mode most of the time when at speeds like this. See, right now the engine's on. Wala yung EV icon niya eh. But to anyone here nakakaramdam ng vibrations ng makina?
No,
Wala?
Even on my end.
Wala kayong naririnig na exhaust.
Wala.
That's how good the NVH is right now.
If there is, it's very faint that most of us can't even pick it up.
I can't. Ayun, ngayon it's in EV mode. It becomes even more quiet. In fact, on speeds like this, parang pwede tayong magsalita like just whispering lang eh. See, this is why the Civic remains the benchmark for C-segment sedans. It's just good at everything. Doesn't make any compromises, as far as I can tell.
Switch kayo, sir.
Okay. So that's it. This is just a quick drive of the Honda Civic Hybrid. Final thoughts? Yeah, it's still the benchmark.